In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an event on the Google Calendar app. Whether you're streamlining your schedule, removing canceled appointments, or just need a less cluttered view, deleting an event is a simple and quick process. Let's walk through it step by step to ensure you can easily manage your calendar. First things first, you'll need to have the Google Calendar app installed on your smartphone or tablet. If you haven't downloaded it yet, you can find it in the Google Play Store for Android devices or the App Store for iOS devices. Once you have the app installed, go ahead and open it. Log in with your Google credentials if you're not already signed in. Now that you're in the app, you'll see a variety of views. You can switch between day, week, month, or schedule views according to your preference. To locate the event you want to delete, you may want to utilize the search feature if you have a busy calendar. Otherwise, you can scroll through your upcoming events to find it manually. Once you've spotted the event in question, tap on it. This action will open the event details where you can see all the information related to this particular meeting or appointment. Now here's where we make our move to delete it. You should see a trash bin icon within the event's options. The icon might be located in the upper or lower part of your screen depending on your device. With just a simple tap of this trash bin, you'll begin the deletion process. After you tap the trash bin, the app may prompt you to confirm the deletion just to make sure you're intentionally deleting this event. This is a helpful feature that prevents accidental deletions. If prompted, confirm that you indeed want to remove this event from your calendar by selecting delete or yes. And just like that, the event will disappear from your calendar. It's important to note that if the event was part of a recurring series, you might be given the option to delete just that single occurrence or the entire series, allowing you greater control and precision over what's erased. That's all there is to it. With these easy steps, you now have the know-how to quickly and effectively manage your calendar events, ensuring your schedule accurately represents your commitments. Remember, maintaining an organized calendar not only helps in avoiding double bookings, but also reduces stress by providing a clear view of your days ahead. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you manage your Google Calendar more effectively. If you have any further questions or need additional tips on calendar management, feel free to leave them in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video.